Hey there, Notion enthusiasts. Today we have 6 signs that you are ready to go steady with Notion. Have you been flirting with the idea of taking it to the next step with Notion, turning your casual use of Notion into a committed partnership?
I do.
Go ahead and ask yourself, is your love of Notion more than just a fling? But before you go ahead and put a ring on it, or in this case, a Notion Certified Consultant's badge, let's make sure you are fully prepared. I've decoded these 6 unmistakable signs that prove that you're not just playing the field when it comes to Notion, but you are ready to step into the consulting arena and build your dream life and career as a Notion consultant. So buckle up as we navigate through these signs that will take you from situationship to consultantship and build a life that you love along the way. All right, our first sign that you are ready to go steady with Notion is very, very obvious, and that's you're just simply over your current commitment. You know what I'm talking about. You are dreading Mondays. You hate going to work.
I hate this job.
You may have been at your current work for months, years, even decades, but the old way of climbing the corporate ladder is just not necessary anymore. People all over the world are leaving their jobs with a great set of skills and creating a life that really is more aligned with what they want. But ultimately, if you are in a commitment that is not suiting you, really ask yourself, why are you building someone else's empire when you can build your own? And you can build that empire by surrounding yourself with a group of like-minded individuals, which brings us to our second sign. If you are feeling a very strong connection with the Notion community, then I think it's time to say yes to consulting. You are engrossed in YouTube videos from the greats like Marie Polin or August Bradley. You are constantly on Twitter. You are sharing your Notion hopes and dreams and aligning yourself with a big group of Notion people. That really is a great sign that you are ready to take this to the next level. You don't have to become a consultant alone. And in fact, there are groups like the Notion Consultants Facebook group or the Notion Consultants LinkedIn group, which I will post below. If you're really looking for a great community of like-minded individuals, I can also highly recommend our private Discord for the Notion Consultants course. We have certified consultants, consultants in training, experienced consultants, and beginners just like maybe you. So feel free to check that out as well. I'll also post the links below. And while you're there, before we move on to the next sign, I would love it if you can go ahead and simply subscribe. That would really help me out as we are growing this channel. All right, now for our third sign. I think some of you are guilty of already crossing the line once or twice and taking part in the ambassador or certified programs. If you're not familiar, I'll quickly break it down. As a Notion ambassador, you are embodying all things Notion online or in person. So whether you're hosting local events or virtual webinars, you are ready to share your knowledge and wisdom and enthusiasm for Notion with the community. If you are an ambassador or if you have joined the certified program and received one of the badges that they have, I can definitely say you are in the running to become a Notion consultant. The tests you have to take for those certified programs are indeed quite technical and difficult, and it is a great example of how you actually are familiar with Notion and ready to take it to that next level. Your commitment to these initiatives showcase a huge passion for Notion, and of course, they aren't prerequisites by any means, but some very clear and concise signs that you are on the road to becoming a Notion consultant. And the fourth sign that you are ready to go steady with Notion consulting is a simple one and an obvious one, and that is you are spending all of your free time together. Listen, hear me out. So I originally started using Notion when I was building a product back in 2020, and I would frequently do fun work, which was basically after managing the product launch, I'd go and just work in Notion, help build out the Notion workspace for this product. When I realized that I could actually make money building Notion solutions back in 2020, it was a godsend. And honestly, I was able to work with over 50 clients since then. I've built copious amounts of workspaces. I've helped onboard hundreds of thousands of people to Notion. Acknowledging that you are like me and working in these spaces can really be a great sense of relief. And now you don't have to work overtime. You can actually just get paid to work in Notion. And for those of you who are making some money monetizing Notion right now, this next sign is for you. There are a lot of you who are just keeping it on the side. You know what I mean, as a little side hustle.
Let's hustle!
And while that's great, why stop there? See, I consider myself both a Notion creator because I have the Notion Consultants course, and a Notion consultant because, well, I'm a Notion consultant. And I can hands down say, being a consultant is so much easier. I know that there are definitely people making great money off of Notion templates. There's no doubt about that. But it is not passive. It is a lot of work. And if you do take off months at a time, all of your marketing efforts go down, and soon you are no longer on top of that template game. Ultimately, it's your choice how you want to monetize Notion. But if you're ready to take it from a side hustle to a full career, then please, this is your sign. Actually, I take that back. This sixth one is definitely your sign, because the sixth sign, say that 10 times fast, is that you've actually watched this video through to the end. Yeah, I don't think anybody is going to be watching a video about this unless they are serious. And if you did watch it, thank you so much. Hopefully you found it entertaining. Please leave a comment below. Hopefully by watching this, you've had a chance to figure out if you really do feel it, if it's something that makes you excited or a bit anxious. This whole journey, there's no right time to start. What you really need to do is listen to your gut and just get going. And if for some reason you still aren't sure, I've made a little quiz down below. Feel free to check it out. If you are ready to get going, please check out notionconsultants.com. I would love to help you on your journey. Otherwise, just remember that you've been given this beautiful life. Don't waste it doing something you don't love. Hopefully, you will find what that is. And if it's Notion Consulting, I'm there to help you out. Have a great day.